this video, we are assembling the St. Louis travel card. So the first thing that I am going to do is I'm going to put together the box of the card. The piece that makes up the front and the back, the two pieces, have tabs just on one side. So I'm going to start by connecting those just on one side. I'm going to do that by resting my card here on the table. Because I want to make sure that it's level. Okay. And now the front pieces. I'm going to line this rectangle up in the center of this piece. And then put this in the center as well. Okay. And then just center this on the front. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my flower together and attach it. I'm going to put it just under the shutter button right there. Then I'm just going to use a pin top here to curl my flowers around. This is actually a pickup tool. Okay, so now I'm going to flip it over, and on the I'm sorry, I forgot the film strip for the journaling also goes on this side. It goes on the back. You're going to center that just right on the back. Now flip it over, and your arch goes on the inside. Okay. And we're going to stand this up. So there is your front and the back of the card. Next I'm going to do the eyeball. This is the big eye. And I'm going to fold it on the score lines here, that insert. And then I'm going to work on the stadium. So this set of windows lines up just below that. Then put on the second set. There we are. I'll line this up just right up here on the top of this. And then you just line those arches up to the top of the arches. There. Okay. And glue it into place. And fold it on the tabs. You're going to put glue here on one tab. You're going to leave your tabs out flat. You're going to take this inside and lay it down on the back and glue this right to the edge of the card. Okay. Then stand your card back up. Take your front layer, put glue on the tab, leave it out flat, and lay it down in front of this top layer. Fold this over and glue it to the side. Okay. Then we are going to put glue on these two tabs. We're going to bring this side over, and here's the side of the card, and we're going to glue that to these tabs. Fold it both ways, and then we are going to close the card. And again, you want to fold it both ways. And then that is the St. Louis travel card. Thank you for joining me.